Remove and drain the water tank. Remove and discard the used water filter. Before we assemble the new water filter, we need to soak it for 5 minutes. Set the new filter to the current month. Assemble the water filter parts and ensure they are firmly connected. Install the new filter into the tank by clicking it into place. Fill the tank to the max line. Now reinstall the water tank. Set a reminder to change the filter after 90 days or 48 liters. Or head to sageappliances.com and subscribe to an automatic top-up of parts and accessories, which will be delivered to you based on the requirements of your machine.